Hey Google. Hey Google. Are we gonna be able to finish this project?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Me neither, man. Okay, well, I forgot y'all existed, right? Here's where we're at right now. Yeah. Good talk. I'll catch you guys next time. Basically, I built this thing. I'm at the electronics part right now. This little bad boy right here. Initially, I was gonna go with like actual CNC boards, you know. But I saw that there was an Arduino version of it. I am from the Arduino generation of kids, so this is what I'm gonna go with. This is what we're going with today. I mean, I built the whole physical thing. I thought that was gonna be pretty boring to watch. I genuinely think it's not interesting to watch building stuff. I don't know, man. I don't know. Hey Google, skip the song. We don't want any sad. We don't want any sad music on. You feel me? It's a Ramps 1.4 board. There's an RC groups thread about this that like doing a hot wire foam cutter off all this. So this is it right here. Hopefully I can finish this by tonight if everything goes as planned. Oh, yeah. It seems like it's gonna be a 5-hour job. So realistically, it's gonna take about a month. After you guys have built this whole thing, I'm gonna give you a rundown of how to get the software working. Now I put the link shut up. I'm gonna put the link to the RC groups thread in the description, and that thread is gonna have a good amount of information and the download links as well.
What do you say about that? I'm done working at TMJ4.
I'm glad I could get that out. Okay, go ahead and download the software that's attached, and then we're gonna get started. Put the motor drivers on top. We're only gonna need 4 of these. We're only gonna need 4 of these right here. You see my wiggling fingers? We're only gonna need 4 of these. So this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, this is your u, and this is your z-axis. Like the x and y, horizontal is x, vertical is y, and then u is horizontal and z is vertical. You get the idea, right? That's my cheat sheet right there. Anyways, and connect that. Amen. Look at this. Ooh. We got a light. We got a light. God damn, this is progress. And then you're going to open up this first very, very impressive piece of code. Look at this. Look at this. Just look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nah, it just includes all of these other libraries. So you're going to open this and we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload this bad boy right here, right? All right. So that's done uploading. That's done uploading. We're good. All right, cool. So we're going to go ahead and close out of this. We're done with that because that has already been transferred to this bad boy right here. Go ahead and extract. So next step, we're going to go to the Hotwire Controller, Gerbil Hotwire Controller, and we're going to go ahead and open this, hit run because we're going to get some exercise. All right, there it is. This is it. This is the whole thing. We're done. You just put your G code into here, click run, and you're finished. Psych, nah, it's not that easy. It's not that easy. It's never that easy. All right, so at this point, we're gonna get our board powered up. My power supply is whatever that thing is, out of a PC. I don't know the name of it. Basically, this yellow and black line supplies up to 14 amps, I think, and you need 11 amps for this plus and minus thing. And you need 5 amps here, and this one supplies around 8 amps from what I know. And it has to be 12 volts. Go ahead and get these connected. 12 volts, 11 amps here, 12 volts and 5 amps here. That's what my spec sheet says. Look up what yours is. You can, of course, I don't know, you can do your thing. You know what you're doing. Get your Gerbil Hotwire Controller, Gerbil. I'm going to plug one motor in to debug this. Select your COM port. You hit connect. You see that light go off? Yeah, there you go. You're connected now. This is connected to the x-axis. We can click on X plus, and we can see that spin. There we go. That's basically it. Good job, guys. Good. There you go. We're done. It looks good. It looks good right now. Y-axis as well once this thing stops. Oh, yikes. No, we're not finished. Okay, that's weird. The things I've tried so far is I fixed the wiring. I had another one of these Ramps 1.4 boards as well, and it's on there right now, and same problem. But I can pull it out of the Y and then put it into the X direction. Same wiring, same motor, same driver. Press X plus, and my boy's turning. What we've done here is we've pretty much eliminated what could have been wrong. The wiring isn't wrong, the drivers isn't, the ramp board isn't at fault. What this is pointing towards is I think what's wrong here. I think this all points to the software. So we're gonna see what we can do here. So at the beginning I tried to slow down the feed rate right here, because high pitched I thought it was just losing timing, I don't know, whatever. But right here, I think you guys can remember earlier on in the video, this was a very high number in the 1000s, I think. And then that's how many steps per millimeter. And then to basically match that, it would have to spin extremely fast, which I don't think it was capable to do. So that slowing this down is basically slowing down the feed rate. That's what I'm getting from it. We're gonna turn on the power, plug it into Y. Watch. What? Oh, it's not, it didn't save. The settings didn't save. Okay, that's cool. Back to interface. I'm gonna hit Y plus one more time. We're gonna hit Y plus 3, 2, 1. Oh, there you go. There we go. There it is. Let's turn. Okay. My favorite thing with these videos is I want you guys to, especially like the starters out there, the people new to this, you know, I want you guys to pick up habits, you know, troubleshooting habits, how to troubleshoot your problems, you know. Learn how to Google. Learn how to do all your stuff by yourself. That's important, you know what I mean? All right, let's wire all this back up.